Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Steve here from stevenjonesy.com. Today's video, guys, as you can see, it's going to be about adding text effects onto your designs using Canva. So Canva has got this new addition to the editor where you can add these different amazing effects to your designs as you go. So we will go through that, and then hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to do that. So what I'll do, I'll show you the first one, and then the following ones I will just tune in the music so you can see as I show you throughout all of them. I think there are about 7. Yes, there's 7 of them in total. Let's get into it now, guys. Okay, so the first one is as I said, no effects. So if you click onto no effects here, and this new option that comes now on the new editor. So the effects, we click onto that, it brings all the different types of effects. As I was saying, there's a total of 8, but 7 that actually change the whole thing. So it's shadow, lift, halo, splice, echo, glitch, and neon, and obviously plus this first one. So the first one, as you can see, there's nothing there, so you can just leave your design as it is, or if you want some effects to take place, then you go to the next one. So we will do that. We will go to the next one, which is the shadow. So if you click on the text there, and then you go to effects, and then you can play around with it. So you can see there, you can look at the shadow, is giving that shadow up there, and then you can play around and just enjoy looking at it, and while deciding what you can do, or like which one you can use. And then you can change the color there if you like as well. So you can see it makes a difference there. There you go. So you can see maybe that one looks better. Then you can then play around so you can see the color as well. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, that's the shadow. So then we'll go into the next one, and I'll tune in the music so you guys can have a look as I do it. Okay guys, here we are, and we've seen how you can put effects onto your text and onto your content and take it to the next level. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. You've managed to see and find the one that you like, and hopefully your designs will be to the next level as well. And if you've enjoyed this, guys, thanks for giving it the thumbs up in advance, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. I post 2 videos a week. One video is for personal development and education like this one, or you can call it self-help, and the other video is usually about health and nutrition. With that guys, I will thank you and leave you, and I hope you have a good day.